Good evening everyone from Lucknow. We are here at a famous restaurant to try some non-veg food today. It's called Open Air Restaurant. It's what's around 10-minute drive from the place I stay, and it's a pretty central area. You actually pass through the main market and you come here. Look at that. This is a very famous restaurant for non-veg food. Let's see what you got. I think it has chicken, it has mutton, it has a lot of things. So let's see somewhere. We have the menu here. Let's check the menu out. We have tandoori chicken, butter chicken, mutton. Basically everything is non-veg. So let's try and order something. I'll show you a little bit the process of how they cook it, and then we'll try it. I see tandoori chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Kya hai?
Chicken masala.
Chicken masala. So that's the chicken masala over there. That's the tandoori chicken. That's the chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka, yeah.
Chicken tikka. All right. Oh, look at that. On the coals, full of fire. That's a huge piece. I don't know if that's a full portion or half portion. And that's the biryani, huh?
Yes.
Biryani. Big shop, huh? It's famous. Yeah, this is a pretty famous shop here in Lucknow. Right, thank you very much. Look at that. That looks insane. They have many stations, many different food. They have also some kebab up there, some chicken tikka. I think what they do is I've seen this a lot in India in general. They pre-cook the chicken, and once an order comes, they cook it fully. So yeah, should be good. That's some big portions of biryani there. You have big portions, you have half portions, but half portion looks pretty big for one person, so yeah. Gotta wait for my food and try it. We ordered a mutton korma, we ordered chicken tandoori. Let's see if it's good. It's a tandoori chicken, look at it. All this chicken is 240 rupees, which is around probably $2.50 or something. It looks really good, super hot, smoky, look at that. On the outside from the coals, that looks amazing. Gonna grab a piece. Look at the chicken. There's some onion covered in some sauce here. So much flavor. And there's also some powder they put on the chicken. I don't know if you can see it well on camera. They put some herbs on it. That chicken is cooked perfectly. It's tender. Has so much flavor. Try another bite. That's so good. Tiny bit spicy. And that onion I think has vinegar or something. That is really good. I can't believe there's so much flavor, so tender, it's amazing. Gonna wait also for the mutton korma to come. I'll try that as well. So, here's the mutton korma. This cost 200 rupees, 2 pieces. Got the roti here. Dip it in the sauce over there. Get a piece. Yesterday we tried mutton korma from Tandoori chicken. Tandoori kebab, sorry. Get a piece. That's amazing. The mutton is tender, a little bit chewy, really cooked well. That roti with the sauce here, that's what's incredible. And the onion surprisingly goes well with everything here in India. Yeah, I think I prefer this than the Tandoori kebabi's mutton korma. I think this one is much better. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this, head out and see what else we can find. Oat meal cost 490 rupees, which is about $5 for 2 people. That's pretty good value. It was amazing. My chicken, that was probably the best tandoori chicken I had. I didn't really try a lot of places, but That was incredible. So the sun is down. We're now headed to get some shawarma. I saw a place here doing some shawarma. Didn't really have shawarma for a long time now, so hopefully it's good. Should be chicken. So there's a lot of people there. I don't know. We're headed up to it just right there here. Just ate that tandoori chicken. I'm pretty full, but I guess I found the shawarma. I have to try a shawarma, yeah? So let's go see how much it costs. So it's a Lebanese shawarma. And there's many people, look at it. Check it out. Namaste. Aap kaise? Yeah. Shawarma? Shawarma? So one shawarma is 90 rupees there. Can I have egg shawarma? Egg? Chicken? Chicken, huh? Okay. So can I video? So look at that. That looks amazing. Your shop, guys, up? Your shop? His shop? Good shop, huh? Good shop. Look at that. That looks really good. That's some good chicken shawarma. Can I have one? Maybe I can take a video how he does it or something. From Lucknow?
Yeah.
From Lucknow, huh? Lucknow bahut acha. Oh, my man here. That looks really good. Cooked well. Also got the lemon on top as well. That looks juicy. We also have some fries here with some mayo. And this is probably the station where he's gonna do it. So he's grabbing the pita bread there, paratha, I don't know. Oh, up in the fire it goes. Look at that. That's mayo?
Spicy? Yeah.
Nahi spicy.
Tom?
Nahi spicy.
Spicy, no?
Nahi spicy. So that's mayo, huh?
Garlic sauce.
Ah, garlic sauce.
Yeah. Garlic.
So that's garlic. That's wow. I love garlic sauce. So I think he also threw some mixed vegetables inside there. I have a pretty good chunk of chicken there. That's pretty big for 90 rupees. I didn't expect that.
Take a bit. Take a bit.
All right, just rolling that up.
Take a bit.
Nay. Here. Eat here. So he cuts it in half. In the plate it goes. And in my hands. All right, let's try it. Oh, that looks pretty good. A little bit difficult with one hand. Gotta try though. Gotta do my best. All right. So there's some garlic sauce, chicken, some vegetables. Let's try it. That is heaven. That chicken, those vegetables, that garlic sauce, hot bread. That is amazing. Amazing. I could probably eat this all day long. That shawarma was incredible. Like 10 out of 10. Gotta pay the guy, cost 90 rupees. I pay here, brother? So wait a minute. That's value, 90 rupees for this shawarma. And it's pretty big actually. I was pretty surprised. Although it's gonna be a little small, but it's a pretty big and he puts a lot of chicken in there. That's probably that garlic sauce, it was incredible. Here you go, Baisa. Nay change. For you, brother. Thank you much. That was incredible. So 90 rupees, around $1. Nay, for you, Baisa. For you. You can give best shawarma. Best shawarma. So this is the Lebanon shawarma.
Yeah.
Just next to the restaurant, the open air restaurant that had tandoori chicken now. Your restaurant?
Yeah.
Ah.
Dal mein kala.
That main kala.
Kala.
Ah. ठीक है. Nice to meet you, भाई साहब. Nice to meet you. आपका नाम क्या है? Your name?
जलील अहमद. जलील अहमद.
जानील अहमद.
जी.
अच्छा नाम brother. अच्छा नाम. Nice to meet you, भाई साहब. मेरा नाम Mario. Mario. Oh, incredible. Gonna walk a little bit this road. Maybe I will go to the market again.
का खाना है.
Hopefully we can find something to drink because after all this food, I'm pretty thirsty. So a nice juice or something will be perfect now. So let's get down to the market and see what we can find. So we are here at the main market here. Look at this. Pretty crazy. I think someone just fell off the motorbike over there. I have to cross this traffic. I've been seeing this everywhere. I have no idea what it is. Gotta go ask. If it's something nice, I'll probably buy one. Try it out because I've been seeing this in Lucknow. I haven't seen this anywhere else. Namaste, bhai. Kya hai? Ice cream. Okay. I don't think the ice is clean. Or I don't think it is, but maybe drink? Nay drink? Ice cream. Oh, should I get one? I have no idea if it's good. Ice clean? Filter ice? Ice.
आइस करेगा.
Good ice? Clean?
ऐसे बनेगा जैसे.
Okay, maybe a minute. Brother, can you ask him if the ice is clean?
It's not going to be super clean, but you gotta just take it.
Is it okay? Probably for
It'll be
foreigners?
fine.
It'll be fine? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll trust you, man.
I don't know.
I've been here 1 month. I think I'm a little bit used to it,
Your
so
tummy will be stronger.
yeah, I think I'm fine. Thank you, man. So, which is the best? Best? This one? Okay, egg. All right. Hopefully I don't die from this. The guy just told me here this is not super clean, but I guess I'm here a pretty good amount of time in India, so I think I can handle it. Probably. I've already drunk some ice that is not clean, so egg. So I think I will be okay. Yeah. So we put some. Oh. Alright, that's black syrup. I have no idea what that is. Maybe some black currant something. We just squeezing a lemon. Maybe I can go from this side then. So probably some masala or something. Yeah. I don't think that ice is really clean. And look at that. That's a cool machine there. And it's just basically just shredding the ice down. Look at that, shavings. I have no idea what I'm about to try. Literally zero idea. I don't even know the name of it. Oh, look at that. We just turned it into a lollipop. And soaking it in that kya hai? Oh, never mind. I have no idea what that is. I think that cost. I think that probably cost like 30 to 40 rupees. All right. Dhanyavad ji. Kitna? 40 rupees. So that's 40 rupees. 1 minute, brother. Oh, here you go. So, gotta try it here. Smells like winter or something. Oh, look at that. That is dripping. That's so much juice in there. I have to taste it another time. I have no idea what that is. Oh wow, that is crazy. That is sweet, but you have some masala taste, and weirdly, that goes well in there. That's really good. It's like, it's sweet, very sweet, and the masala just has like this saltiness to it. It's like sweet and salty. That's pretty good. Wow. All right. I'm surprised. That masala, I think it's masala, I'm not sure. That goes really well with this. So basically I can call this like an Indian ice cream or something. Lemon soda, I haven't tried this in India yet. And this soda looks fresh, so. Okay, can I have egg? Egg. Take it. Tora masala. Alright, so he cuts the lemon. See how he does it. Add some soda there. A little bit of masala.
Ice.
Ice. Maybe Tora ice. All right. And we get some more ice today. So hopefully this ice doesn't play games on me tomorrow. Yeah, that doesn't look really clean. All right. Hopefully nothing happens to me because I was pretty careful this 1 month in India, so I'm not really that used to it. Although I tried some ice and nothing happened, I guess you never know. So tomorrow maybe I will be in some pain. And look at that. Oh, he's a master. He's gonna mix it up. Gives me a straw. All right. You have change, brother? Let's try it. Thank you much. So that's 40 rupees. That's 45 cents US dollar. So, I mean, for a juice in the middle of the street, that's pretty good. Although I'm not a big fan of lemon. I guess I have to try it because these people were selling this lemon soda juice all over the streets of India, everywhere you go. I'm not sure. It's good. Although I think the masala in there, I don't really like it. I don't know. Maybe it's good, but when I think this is too much for me. A little bit less, I think it would have been much better. It's pretty refreshing though. That soda, that's really good. You got that lemon juice, but that lemon juice goes away with that masala. It's so potent. It's like I'm drinking spices at one point. So I think a little bit less masala will be much better. Although it's decent. Decent. So let's walk a little bit over here. But I think I'm gonna call it a day. I had so many drinks, so many foods. I had ice, which I'm not used to, so yeah. Hopefully I don't get sick. I guess that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.